we have another victim of the dreaded TFR chemical burn. I do a little test spot, just make sure that it's doable and it's not a complete paint failure. Get the polisher out now, do a little spot just here and see how well it comes up. So this is the downside to polishing isolated areas. Usually it was just the front of the car that was affected by the chemicals. I've done a little test spot here as well because we also wanted to check because the rest of the car is actually fine. So I did a test spot here. So that's the before, that's the test spot. It's done really well. So I wanted to check it side by side with the door. And see where I've run over just a little bit, but it looks great there, but then the bit I haven't polished now looks significantly worse. So I'm going to let the customer know that the front end might now look better than the back of the car and see what they want to do. So yeah. You see already where the bit I polished is taking the coating better than the bit that's not polished. It just shows how much difference it makes having the car properly prepped before you do coatings. Right, got it inside, all dried off. I'm going to do a little 50-50 of the bonnet. I'm going to do this side, then we'll do a time lapse, and then I'll take the tape off and we'll see how much improvement we get side by side. That's made a difference. It's not perfect paint by any means, but it's not what we're aiming for. Okay, so I've just finished off this Corsa, decontamination wash done, single stage polish all the way around done, sorted out the fading on the front end, chemical burn, also went through and did the interior quickly, and also you can actually see through the glass now. That'll be a nice treat for them. Yeah, so that's that job done. That's all be then.